Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you been using Kojic acid soap and you are not seeing the result? Have you been using Kojic skin lightening soap and you are not seeing any result on your skin? Have you? Okay, worry no more because you might have been using it the wrong way. But in today's video, I'll be showing you the very effective way you can use Kojic acid soap to get rid of dark spots, pimples, and brighten your skin. When I say Kojic acid soap, this is what I mean. This soap right here. This soap is small but mighty. Yes, this soap does wonders. I will leave the picture here so you can see what it looks like because I've taken this out of the carton. Okay, so this is Kojic Kojic skin lightening soap. This helps to clear acne, clear dark spots, and brighten your skin. Okay, so if you have been using it and you are not seeing any result, guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the very effective way you can use it to achieve fairer skin, treat dark spots and acne. Okay guys, so that's it. The first thing you have to do is to get original Kojic acid soap because they are fake out there. Just make sure that you are using the original one. Okay, so go ahead and get it. This soap can do a lot. This soap is not a soap you can be using every day. This soap is a soap you can use 2 to 3 times in a week. Okay, if you're using this soap, make sure you have your main soap. All right, because this soap contains Kojic acid, which is very powerful lightening ingredient. You don't want to use it every day, so it's good to use it just 3 times or 2 times in a week. All right, and this soap, for some reason I noticed that it also dries out the skin after using it to bathe. I don't know if it's for me or general. I don't know if it's just for me or it happens to everyone. After using it to bathe, you will feel a kind of dryness on your skin. So you don't want to use it every day because if you do, definitely you will start having skin dryness. Okay, so that's why it's advisable to use anything lightening. In fact, it's not even good to use all the time, right? So get the soap. Once you get the soap, you go ahead and touch it in water, like dip it into water. Here I have mine. I've already dipped it into water. Use the soap to rub it on your face. Those areas you have dark spots, those areas you want to clear dark spots, rub it on those areas. Make sure that it lathers while you're doing that. If you're doing it and it dries out, go ahead and dip it into the water again. Then start doing that. Start doing that. This also works for the armpit. If you have dark armpit, also dip the soap into water. Use it to rub it, like massage it on your armpit. Okay, use it on your armpit, on your elbow, on your knuckles, on your knee, wherever you have dark spots. Use this soap on those areas. Okay, but just make sure that you dip it into water, and as you are rubbing it, that it lathers. Okay guys, so after applying it all over your face, you can also go ahead and dip your hands into water. Like dip your hands into water like this and start massaging your face with it, and those areas you applied it on your armpit, on your knuckles, wherever you applied it on, go ahead and massage it this way. So after massaging it this way, you let it dry on you. You let it dry. So after massaging it this way, you let it dry. And as it's drying, it's not beginning to work. It's not beginning to, do its job. You see, once you're doing this, it's not penetrating into your skin. It's not penetrating very well. So after doing this, you have to wait for it to dry. If you applied it on your armpit, also go ahead and massage it until it lathers very well. Once it lathers very well like this, you can leave it. And how do you know that it has dried up? As you can see, I'm trying to rub it again, but it's no longer lathering. That means it has dried up. Okay guys, so once this happens, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and bathe, or you go ahead and wash your face. After washing your face, apply your face cream. By the time you do this 3 times in a week, you will see that dark spot beginning to fade away. You will see your skin beginning to transform, beginning to brighten. Okay, so this is the very effective way you can use kojic acid soap to get rid of dark spots, treat acne, and brighten your skin. Okay guys, so please, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.